Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming power and remote readiness. You want the display lit and batteries at good charge. Next, set the unit to cool or auto and fan to auto, because sleep adjusts temperature and fan automatically. Once done, locate the sleep button on the remote or go menu then sleep. Many Voltas units offer a 1-8-hour timer. Press once to activate and observe the tiny sleep icon. This immediate action begins the energy-saving sequence without changing your basic comforts. Once sleep is active, you configure duration and temperature behavior. Press sleep repeatedly to cycle 1, 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. Make sure to set the starting temperature intentionally because the mode will nudge it by about 0.51 degrees each hour to save energy while keeping comfort. Also, set fan to auto and confirm swing settings so airflow shifts gently. This prevents abrupt drafts. If your remote has a temp offset option, use it now to fine-tune overnight comfort without manual adjustments. You finish by verifying the sleep icon and remaining timer on the indoor display. Make sure the final set point matches your comfort target. If you need to cancel before completion, press sleep again or simply power off. Many Voltas remotes let you cancel with one press. If the mode doesn't engage, troubleshoot by replacing the remote battery, standing closer to the indoor unit to ensure IR signal, or power cycling the AC at the breaker. These steps resolve most faults quickly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.